Hey, welcome back, and if you are new, welcome. It is so good to have you, and I hope you'll stick around by hitting that subscribe button down below. So guys, we are going in CVS to do in-store couponing. We are going to get some free items and some really great deals. So let's go.
You got it all, man.
I see a bunch of good deals in the making right here.
Ready?
I'm ready. Hold on. What is this?
I died on the buggy.
What is egg blast? Design your own eggs in a bar. What is this?
No, Easter's over. Easter's over, and she's still looking for Easter stuff. I don't know why. I have no idea. I see her coming. Well, let's see what kind of deals we can get.
Alright guys, so one of the deals we're going to do, we don't have no coupons for this because the coupons excludes the small bottles, but this is still going to be a really great deal. So these little 2 palm olive bottles, they're buy one get one for 50% off. So your first one's going to be $1.89, then your second one's going to be 50% off that. But when you buy 2, you get a $2 extra buck. So these are just going to cost like 50 cents for 2. So that is a great deal, guys. I would almost, you can get it 3 times. Alright, hey guys, so the next deal I'm going to be doing is this right here. It is on the back of the page, and it is, when you spend 20, you'll get a $5 extra care bucks. So what I'm going to pick up is I'm going to pick up one of the Gain Flings. Make sure it is the 16 count. That way you can use your $3 off digital coupon on this, which makes it $1.94. Then we are going to get the Gain Island Fresh for $4.94, and we have a $2 off digital. Or also we got $2 off coupons in the paper. So this is a really great deal. Alright, so the next deal we are going to do is still in the spend 20 get 5, and we are doing the Pantene 3 for $12. Now you can have a $5 off of 3 on your $5 off of 3 on your CVS app. Just scroll down to manufacturer's coupons. It will be right there. Also, I have a CRT for a $3 off $12 shampoo purchase, so that's going to help bring my total down lower. So we are going to pick up 3 of these. We're going to find some that our son doesn't have, and he doesn't have a bunch of these. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy, take it easy. That I could keep it low.
And I thought we were going to get out of here without clipping them owls. Boy, was I wrong.
You never know, mate.
You never know with her, that is the truth. That brain's sparking. It's a ticking. She's hunting those dudes, y'all. Hunting those dudes.
We are going to do the Caress deal, and it is spend 15 and you get a $10 extra back reward. Now we don't have coupons for these, but if you do, it'd make for a really great deal. And I'm going to pick up 3 of those, and then I'm going to be using the 2 off 6 body wash, and then another 2 off 6 body wash CRTs, and it's going to equal over $12, so I should be able to use these no problem. So yes, that's what we're doing.
Say yes to Caress.
So it'll be $13.97 that we'll pay, and then we'll get a $10 extra back, so it'll make all of these $3.97.
Yep.
Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so
guys, so we have just left CVS and we got some really good deals, and I just have to show you this because it's super awesome. We got a box of Fruit Loops for guess how much? 5 cents.
Well, focus camera, focus. Bam. Fruit Loops for 5
cents. Now, we got a bunch of diapers. We found some diapers on clearance for $3.12 for a huge pack, which is a steal if you're a mommy, you know that.